How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. And on my wrist is the brand new OPPO watch 46mm Wi-Fi only edition. Now, this is one of the best looking Android watches I've set my eyes on, and I can't wait to show you guys the rest of it. Let's take a look. In the box, you have the watch itself with a fluoro rubber strap, a charging case, quick start guide, and safety guide. The unboxing experience says it's premium. Out the box, the OPPO watch has a flexible dual curved display on the left and right of the unit and a 3D curved bottom. The straps can be easily replaced with a plethora of straps available on OPPO's website, and to the bottom we have 4 heart rate sensors arranged to make them as accurate as possible. On the sides you have 2 buttons, a power button and 1 multifunctional button that can be programmed to your favorite or most used feature or application. You also have a microphone in between the buttons as well for Google Assistant, which can be quite useful. On the left, you have 2 speaker slits. You can interact with Google Assistant using this as well. This is the 46mm Wi-Fi only version, but you also have the option for a 46mm LTE and a 41mm Wi-Fi version too, which is smaller. I particularly like this gold version as it's stylish and elegant on the wrist. Setting the OPPO watch up is very easy and straightforward as well. Just tap on the options on the screen till you're fully set up. You need to download the freeware OS app available in the App Store and OPPO's HeyTap health app as well, which allows you to do some extra customizations. Besides having that dual curved display, it's also one of the brightest and vibrant I've ever seen on a watch, with 1.91 inch AMOLED display, 326 ppi and 100% DCI-P3 Color gamut. Never thought I'd say that in the same sentence as a watch in general, the word color gamut. The OPPO watch is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100 and Ambic Micro's Apollo 3 wireless SoC. You got 430 mAh battery, 1GB of RAM, 8GB of storage, and a combination that means you get a really smooth and responsive performance. You have up to 21-day battery life in power saver mode and up to 36 hours in smart mode. That's a lot of battery life you can get out of it. It also uses watch VOOC flash charging, which means 15 minutes of charge will get the battery back up to 46% in no time at all. That is enough to last you throughout the day. In power saver mode, you still get all your essentials as well, so you can receive message notifications, check the time, track your steps, and monitor your heart rate. The OPPO watch 46mm, including LTE and Wi-Fi versions, supports 5 ATM water resistance. That's 50 meters of water resistance, which is really good if you're thinking of using it for swimming. Using Google Fit ecosystem, you have access to multiple workout modes and 5-minute workout class series as well. HeyTap health app gives you access to 24 hours heart rate and sleep monitoring data. You have get up reminder to keep you active throughout the day and a guided breathing exercise to help you relax just a bit more. I also like how you can make the OPPO watch unique to you with a picture watch face, or you can even let it match your outfit by taking a picture of what you're wearing and let the built-in AI do all the rest of the job for you. On the watch itself, it's very easy to use. You tap the screen to wake it up or raise your wrist for the gesture. You swipe up for notifications, swipe down for quick settings, swipe from the left, curved edge for Google Assistant, swipe from the right for your tiles. So I have daily activity, weather, my sleep record, heart rate and workout record on my tiles. You can also arrange these tiles and change them and choose what you'd rather see on there. Tapping the power button will take you back to the home screen, and tapping it also shows you all your apps nicely laid out with a scroll up or scroll down motion, which is pretty cool. Overall, I really like the OPPO watch. It looks really nice. It's very robust. It feels weighty and substantial on wrist, and even when you're not wearing it on wrist, if you just lift it up a bit, you feel the weight of it. It feels very premium. I like the color. And you got other color options available as well if you want to do that. And a wide range of watch straps that you can buy as well to fully customize it and make it your own. It's actually one of the best looking Android smartwatches I've ever seen and on the market right now. If you guys want to find out more, all links will be in the description area. But in the meantime, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.